I'm going to teach you how you can enable single viewer host alerts by using Mix It Up in just a few minutes, so stick around. Hello everyone, Synergy here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable single viewer host alerts by using Mix It Up so you can get back to recognizing those who support your channel. As some of you already know, alerts have been disabled if you use Streamlabs or Streamelements unless you have over 3 viewers. Kinda lame, right? Like most alerts, you'll be able to add a cool sound effect or a GIF that pops up when a host is triggered. Kinda like this.
Wow, this dude just hosted you. Thanks for the host, my dude.
Before we start creating the event, you'll want to head over to mixitapp.com. At the upper right hand corner, there's a download page. Click the download installer, or you can use the download zip version. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and use the download installer. Once it'll pop up, you'll want to hit save as, and you put it in the downloads folder, or wherever you want to put the file, and then click save. Once the app is downloaded, you'll want to open the file and continue with the installation instructions as followed. Once Mix It Up is installed, you'll want to open it up, and you'll be prompted with a login window. For me, I've already logged in with my streamer account, but if you're new, you'll want to hit new streamer, hit accept, click next, and you'll be given 3 different options such as Twitch, Trovo, and Glimish. If you've already logged in to Mix It Up, go ahead and skip past this part. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head over to settings, over to overlays, and then in this name portion, you'll want to put alerts, and then click add. But since I've already done this, it will appear just as it is right here. Now that your alerts overlay is done, you'll want to copy the link and head back to OBS. Once you're in OBS, you'll want to add it as a browser source and name it alerts. A new properties menu will pop up, and in the URL space provided, you'll want to paste that link and then hit OK. Now it's time to create the command. Head on over to your menu, to events, and Twitch. Since I've already created the hosted command, it will look like this, but if you're new, it will say add command. And you'll be prompted with a pop-up menu. Everything listed here will be in your action drop-down menu. Once you choose that drop-down menu, you'll go ahead and click add. We'll start off with overlay, image, and video, and under the action drop-down menu, you will choose image. Under overlay endpoints, you'll choose alerts, and if you have a URL or a file, you'll want to put that here. For a file, you'll click browse and find it where it is in your PC. You'll want to change the width and the height, your screen position to the very top or bottom depending on where you want your chat message. The duration should be the length of your soundbite. You can have an entrance animation, an exit animation, and a visible animator as well. Next, you'll want to add a sound. Then the same thing, you'll find the sound file path and put it here. You'll also want to make sure your audio output device is chosen, and then you can also customize your volume. Next, you'll want to add another overlay, image, and video. Under action, you'll choose text. Under overlay endpoints, you'll choose alerts again. And under text, you want to make sure username has hosted whatever channel name that you go by. For me, I use the Thunderdome. For size, you can choose this to be whatever you choose. Choose your font color and your font name. You can add shadow, bold, italic, or underline. For screen position, you want to make sure it's either above or under or center with your image before. The duration should also match the length of your sound, and you can also choose a custom entrance and exit animation. For any special identifiers in your text, you can click this link right here, and it will link you to a page for other special identifiers. Next, you'll want to add a chat message. This will say thank you so much for hosting the channel, and you'll put the username that hosted the channel. You'll want to make sure this is sent as a streamer. Next, you'll want to add a wait command. For mine, I put 10 seconds. However, you can put whatever number you want. Lastly, you want to add another chat message. In this chat message, I just let other viewers know that you can host me for free, whether you're on mobile or a web page. This is just a cool incentive to get other people to host you. When you put this in as a chat message, you'll also want to make sure that it's sent as a streamer. Once we have all of this inputted, you want to go ahead right here and go ahead and click save. Now we want to make sure that the command works. So head back over and click the play button and hit test command. If working properly, it should look something like this. Now, if you don't like how it looks, you can always go back into the edit command and then play around with your image and overlay, your chat message, or your sound. If this doesn't work, make sure that your overlay is set to alerts. Restart the computer, or make sure the source is pasted correctly in OBS. And there you have it, a hosting alert for single viewer hosted events. Hosting is one of the biggest ways to support those you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing for future content. And until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.